Hello everyone, welcome to Kidsnetic. Today we are going to have a quick tour on our toddler math folder. This folder is for all the toddlers to make them ready for preschool and kindergarten. This is the first Max folder which has to be introduced for the kids as it's covering all the basics of Max after flashcards. This folder covers 6 different concepts of Max: colors, shapes, size, numbers, identification and quantity, patterns and visual discrimination. Now let's see what's in store in this folder. As your kids are introduced to colors after flashcards, you can use these things and they really love because it's just stick. And then shapes, you have shadows of shapes, so they have to identify it based on the shadow, big and small. Here you can introduce size for them. Here the big monkey eats the big banana and the small monkey eats the small banana. Next, tall and short. The tall giraffe and this is the tall tree. Tall giraffe eats from the tall tree. The short rabbits eats from the short bush. Match the numbers. So here numbers are present. They just have to match it based on color. Color will help them to match this easily. And then this is thick and thin. Ask them to place the parrot onto the thin tree. They have to place it and onto the thick tree. Here point the different or odd one out. So ask them which is different in this row. So a new concept of row is introduced here. This is called a row and you have to identify the odd one out. Which is the odd one out? They have to point as tortoise and they can also use a dry erase marker to circle this. Here heavy and light. So you have a balance here and you have to tell them which is heavy, which is light. Box of books is heavy. So if you place it here, the pendulum will come down, and butterfly is light because since it's light the pendulum will be on top. So two concepts are introduced about heavy and light. Here match the animals by their pattern. They already know about the animals because they are generally babies are and kids are fascinated of animals. They will be knowing about their skin, so this will help them. This will give an introduction of patterns to them. And here lock and key, they have to, this is the next difficulty level of colors as many more attributes are given here, and again long and short. In this way you'll have a greater difficulty level. As you go on to this folder, many more attributes will be present and your kid has to get focused. First complete these things and then you can come on to this. I'm showing only the sample pages because this will be really very long as this is the quick tour. Let me go on to the final part. See, if you see here, you can have an idea of the long and short. Many attributes are present here. This is visual discrimination. They have to identify with 2 attributes are present, that is the shape and the color. This is a red color circle, so they can't place it here. They have to know where to place it. This is visual discrimination. And here number, they have to count 1 2 3, they have to count and match it. This one is full and empty bowl. This is an empty bowl and this is a full bowl. You can use cutouts from here. So here are 3 cons. So 3, where you have to place 3. This is empty. Empty means 0, so you have to place a 0. Another thing you can teach them is dog eats bone, the rabbit eats carrot, and the squirrel eats corn. Many different concepts can be introduced in one activity. These folders are designed in such a way that your kids are going to learn a lot of things in one pack. So this is a great folder for them in order to introduce Max. So if you need this folder, I'm giving the link. 2 links are there from Kidsnetic and also from Etsy. You can get it from any. Like this folder, and if you like this video, please give a like and share it to your friends and family members. Whoever has kids and want to do homeschooling or really engage your kids from seeing TV or mobile, this folder is great for them. Thank you so much for watching and happy learning.